Hello everyone, I am Mahesh Kumar, AI architect and educator. Welcome to this complete guide on Docker. Today, I will walk you through everything you need to know. What Docker is, how it works under the hood, and what you can actually achieve with it in the real world. By the end of this video, you will understand containerization, the Docker architecture, real-world deployment examples, and how Docker compares to virtual machines. This is a beginner-friendly guide, no prior experience required. But before we get into Docker, let me show you the exact problem it was built to solve. If you've ever heard someone say, "It works on my machine," Docker was built to solve exactly that problem. Every developer has been there. Your app runs perfectly on your laptop. But the moment it hits the production server, everything breaks. Different OS, different node version, missing packages. Docker makes this problem disappear forever. So, what exactly is Docker, and how does it do this? Let's find out. Docker is an open-source containerization platform. The key word is container. Docker lets you package your application along with everything it needs to run: the code, runtime, libraries, config files, into a single portable unit called a container. Think of it like shipping containers on a cargo ship. It doesn't matter what's inside, the ship can carry it. Docker gives your applications that same portability. Build once, run anywhere. But why do we actually need Docker? Let me show you the before and after, and the difference is dramatic. Let me show you the before and after. Without Docker, you have different environments on every machine, dependencies that conflict, and deployments that randomly break. Hours wasted debugging why this works locally but not in staging. With Docker, every environment is identical. Your laptop, the CI pipeline, the production server. They all run the exact same container. Zero environment drift. Zero surprise failures. Great. So Docker solves the environment problem. But how is Docker actually structured under the hood? Let's look at the architecture. Let's look at how Docker is structured under the hood. At the top, you have the Docker client. This is the command line tool you type into when you type docker build or docker run. The client sends that request to the Docker daemon. The daemon is the background service doing all the heavy lifting. It manages images, containers, networks, and volumes. Docker images are the read-only templates, the blueprints. And Docker Hub is the public registry where millions of pre-built images are stored. Now, you've heard me say images and containers, but what is the difference? This is the most important concept in Docker. Let me explain it with a simple analogy. This is probably the most important concept in Docker. What is the difference between an image and a container? Think of it this way. A Docker image is like a blueprint for a house. It defines every detail, the structure, the materials, the layout. But a blueprint isn't a house. You can't live in a blueprint. A Docker container is the actual house built from that blueprint. It's a running instance. You can stop it, start it, pause it, or destroy it. And here's the powerful part. From one blueprint, you can build hundreds of houses. One image. Hundreds of containers. Now that you understand images and containers, let's walk through the complete workflow step by step. Now let's walk through the complete Docker workflow in 5 steps. Step 1. You write your application code. Step 2. You create a Docker file. This is a simple text file with instructions telling Docker how to build your image. Step 3. You run Docker build. Docker reads your Docker file and creates an image. Step 4. You run Docker run to create a container from that image. Your app is now running in complete isolation. Step 5. Push your image to a registry and deploy it anywhere. AWS, GCP, Azure, your own server, it will run identically everywhere. That's the workflow in theory. But what does this look like in a real production system? Let me show you a full e-commerce platform running on Docker. Let's see Docker in action with a real-world example. Imagine you are building an e-commerce platform. You have a React front-end, a fast API backend, a PostgreSQL database, a Redis cache for session management, and an Nginx load balancer. In the old world, setting this up on a new machine would take hours. With Docker Compose, you describe the entire stack in one YAML file. Then you run one single command, docker compose upd. In seconds, all 5 services are running, connected, and talking to each other. Your entire production stack. One command. Incredible, right? And this is just one of many benefits Docker gives you. Let me walk you through all 6 key benefits. Let me quickly summarize the 6 key benefits Docker gives your engineering team. First, faster development. No more environment setup headaches. Second, consistent environments. Dev, staging, and production all run the exact same code. Third, easy deployment. Push an image, update a task definition, done. Fourth, better scalability. ECS Fargate can spin up hundreds of containers automatically. Fifth, resource efficient. Containers are 10 times lighter than virtual machines. Sixth, cloud ready. Works on AWS, GCP, Azure, or any container runtime. Now, this brings up a question I always get asked. How is Docker different from a virtual machine? The answer might surprise you. Alright, let's recap what we covered today. Docker is a containerization platform that packages your code with all its dependencies. It solves the works on my machine problem. You create images with Docker files, run them as containers, and deploy anywhere. It's lighter than VMs, faster to start, and used by every major tech company in production. If you are serious about becoming a software engineer or DevOps engineer, Docker is a non-negotiable skill. Start learning it today. If this video helped you understand Docker, please hit the like button. It really helps this channel grow. Subscribe for more software architecture and AI content. And drop a comment below telling me what you want me to explain next. Now, meet the team behind this. I'm Mahesh Kumar, and this is Saffronyx. We transform data into actionable intelligence through business intelligence, data analytics, AI, and cloud solutions. We help startups to enterprises unlock the full potential of their data. Visit saffronyx.in to learn more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.